Is the LSAT harder than the SAT? I get this question all the time, and usually it comes from people who had a really great SAT score or a really awful SAT score, and they want to see if they're either so set and don't need to study at all, or like so doomed to fail that they should just give up all hopes of law school and just become an accountant or something else terrible. The reality is this. Yes, it's true that 3 of the letters in LSAT are S, A, and T, but that's about the only thing these 2 tests have in common. I mean, you remember the SAT, it's like half devoted to finding the area of a triangle and half about knowing the meaning of words, most of which you'll never use in college or the real world. Basically, the SAT is a huge waste of time and just a rite of passage to make sure you really want to go to college. But believe it or not, the LSAT's actually kind of useful. Studies repeatedly show that the LSAT alone is a better predictor for success in your first year of law school than your undergraduate GPA alone. And the reason for this might be that the LSAT isn't about a body of knowledge. It's about certain ways of thinking that you'll need to use in law school. So it doesn't test your ability to remember random math formulas or how to avoid split infinitives. Instead, it tests your ability to implement a certain way of thinking and to exercise a very particular set of skills. So there's some pros and cons to this. On the one hand, if you hate memorizing vocab and lists of facts, you very well might love the LSAT. But on the other hand, if the only way you survived college was by making a stack of flashcards that's as thick as all 7 Harry Potter books combined, the LSAT may not be your best friend. But the bright side is that this is definitely a test that you can learn. Since all it does is test the same way of reasoning over and over and over again, all you have to do is learn that way of thinking and you'll be so chill. So is the LSAT harder than the SAT? I mean, truth is, it's just apples and oranges, my friends.